Hi dear students, good morning all of you. Actually we have studied in last video sum or difference formula of sine cos tan, correct? After that we have studied multiple angles, okay? Now today we are going to study or we are going to learn allied angles, basics of these allied angles, factorization formulae and defactorization formulae. Factorization and defactorization formulae. Today we will complete these all points in this video, and further we will take another chapter. Now see, what is allied angle? For that, again you have to remember the quadrants where all are positive in first quadrant, correct? Sine and cosec is positive in second one. In third, there is tan and cot positive. In fourth, you can say cos and sec are positive here. Therefore, ASTC is there. ASTC. All positive sine and cosec, tan, cot and cos sec. That means here all trigonometric functions are positive in two quadrants and negative in two quadrants. Clear? Considering this 0, this is pi by 2, this one is pi, this one is 3 pi by 2. Clear? 3 times pi by 2 and यहाँ 4 times pi by 2, that means 2 pi. Clear? See what will happen to these quadrants. Pi by 2. Before that, if theta is inclination is there, this inclination is here, then we can say pi by 2 minus theta. The inclination theta is there, and this is nothing but pi by 2 minus theta. Here more than pi by 2, that means pi by 2 plus theta. Before pi minus theta. After pi plus theta. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. After 3 pi by 2 plus theta. And here 2 pi minus theta, or again 2 pi plus theta here. If comes under here, then you can write down here minus theta. See, like this. Then minus theta. Theta is the inclination. Then we can say this is minus theta. Then how to find out the allied angles? See, I think you know that about pi by 2 minus theta. Why? Because we had studied it. We have studied sine of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos of pi by 2 minus theta. That means sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta, tan pi by 2 minus theta, which is equal to cot theta, cosec pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sec theta. sec pi by 2 minus theta cosec theta, and cot pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta. This is in the first quadrant. See, again sine of 2 pi plus theta, sine theta. I will write down first and then explain it afterwards. Cos of 2 pi plus theta, cos theta, tan of 2 pi plus theta, tan theta, cosec 2 pi plus theta, cosec theta, sec of 2 pi plus theta, sec theta, and cot of 2 pi plus theta, cot theta. Now see here, there are two things, pi by 2 and pi. If odd pi by 2s are there, if odd pi by 2s, I'm telling you the shortcuts here. From these shortcuts you can find out any allied angle, any allied angle. See, here is pi by 2 and here is pi, 2 pi, 1 pi, 3 pi, whatever. And what I'm saying, pi by 2, this is nothing but if odd pi by 2 is there, odd pi by 2, see, it changes the trigonometric ratio. Sine changes into cos, cos changes into sine, clearly. Tan changes into cot, cosec changes into sec, sec changes into cosec, and cot changes into tan. This is nothing but the complementary angles, correct? Then exactly here, what is going on? If there is pi by 2 or some odd pi by 2s are there, means pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. Similarly here, that means 2n plus 1. See, 2n plus 1 means if we substitute here 0, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever maybe it is, then 0 or integers we can say 0 into pi by 2. See, 0 substitute here, then pi by 2. Substitute 1 here, 3 pi by 2. Substitute 2 here, 5 pi by 2. Similarly, integers means negative also. Minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, minus pi by 2. Minus 2, minus 4, plus 1, minus 3 pi by 2. Means every odd pi by 2s. कुठे इथं तुम्हाला दिसलं ना, if you saw this here, मी पाहिला लगेच दिसला इथं, म्हटले you have to change this sine into cos, cos into sine, tan into cot, cot into tan, cosec into sec, sec into cosec. You have to convert that trigonometric function or trigonometric ratio in the form of complementary angle. Yeah, sine cos, cos sine, cosec sec, sec cosec, tan cot, cot tan. Clear? You have to change like this, and whatever theta is here, you put it here. Clear? Now 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi plus theta means odd pi by 2s changes, changes, changes trigonometric ratios. Sine to cos, cos to sine similarly. 2 pi, that means we can say n pi. Odd neighbor ka? No odd. 1, 2, 3, integers only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to infinite. Here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. No? Clear? 0 असेल तर मग pi येऊ शकत नाही. But here pi, is this changes the trigonometric ratio here? No. This remains as it is. Sine, sine, cos, cos, tan, tan, cosec, sec, 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 cot, cot. Means पाय नेवर चेंजेस द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो. बघा पाय बाय टू आला रे याला की तुमच्या लक्षात आलं पाहिजे की साईनला कॉसमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे, कॉसला साईनमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे. आणि जिथं जिथं पाय येईल मग 1 पाय येईल, 2 पाय येईल, 3 पाय येईल, व्हॉट एव्हर. ऑड सोडून सगळे. ऑड मीन्स 3, 5, 7 नाही, 1/2 नाही आला पाहिजे, हाफ मध्ये नाही आला पाहिजे, बरोबर आहे. मीन्स पाय मग तो एन पाय असेल. एन पाय नेवर चेंजेस ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज, किंवा त्याला म्हणायचं रिमेन्स ॲज इट इज. remains as it is the trigonometric ratio. Then why these all are positive here? Because quadrant defines the sign here. Why quadrant defines the sign? Because all positive here. Sin 2 pi plus theta, sin theta, cos 2 pi plus theta, cos theta. Here sin pi by 2 minus theta, cos theta. Means all are positive here. That means third shortcut is quadrant defines the sign. Clear? Now see the another one. Then we have to told everything here. See, sine of pi by 2 plus theta, cos pi by 2 plus theta, tan pi by 2 plus theta, cosec pi by 2 plus theta, sec pi by 2 plus theta, cot pi by 2 plus theta. Okay. Now pi by 2 is here, na? We have to go through this 3 techniques or 3 shortcuts. Is there odd pi by 2? Yeah, odd pi by 2 is there. Change the trigonometric ratio. Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot, cosec changes to sec, sec changes to cosec, and cot changes to tan. Is that clear? Now see, sin pi by 2 plus theta lies in which quadrant? एकदा pi by 2 आला की pi कडे नाही बघायचं. See, only if pi by 2 is there, just think about pi by 2, and this we have to think of 2 at a time. Quadrant compulsory you have to check. Clear? Here you have to check the both pi by 2 or pi. If pi by 2, then forget about pi. If pi, then forget about pi by 2. Then see here, sin pi by 2 plus theta is nothing but cos of theta. Cos pi by 2, theta, 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 you can write down here. Okay. Now see, this is lies in between, lies in second quadrant. Pi by 2 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec is positive. This sine and this cosec, these both are positive. Not here sine and cosec. Okay, don't see the right side here. Which one means the answer of this is the sine theta and cosec theta. These are not positive here. Only these. Sine pi by 2 plus theta is positive. Why? Because sine positive in second quadrant. That's why this is positive. Cos pi by 2 plus theta minus sine theta. This is negative. Tan pi by 2 plus theta, cot theta. This is also negative here. Cosec pi by 2 plus theta. This is positive. That's why this is sec theta is positive here. Sec pi by 2 plus theta minus cosec theta. Don't see these answers. Which one is lies? Sine is lies in this. Cosec is lies in this. That's why these answers are positive here. Okay. That means sec negative and cot negative. Other than these two, all are negative sign. Clear? Means second quadrant defines the sign here. Clear? Similarly, sin pi minus theta, sin theta positive. Cos pi minus theta minus cos theta. Correct? Tan pi minus theta minus tan theta. Cosec pi minus theta, cosec theta. Why positive? Sec pi minus theta minus sec theta. Clear? And then cot pi minus theta minus cot theta. See, we can make a nice tabular form here for this all. Then you will get it. How many formulae will form here? See, every trigonometric ratio. How many trigonometric ratios are there? 6. 6, 6, 12. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. 48 and this 6. 54. Okay. Now, see. Sin theta. What is sin? Cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot here. Now, first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. First, second, third and fourth one. Second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant here. Now, sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. First quadrant, pi by 2 minus theta, 2 pi plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta, pi minus theta. Pi plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 2 pi minus theta. Now think of that 3 1 and give the answer. Pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 minus theta, cos theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta, sin theta. Sin pi by 2 minus theta, cot theta. Clear? Cosec pi by 2 minus theta, sec theta. Sec pi by 2 minus theta, cosec theta. Cot pi by 2 minus theta, tan theta. See, 2 pi as it is. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. All are positive in first quadrant. Sin and cosec is positive here. Sin and cosec is positive. All are negative. Correct? All are negative here. Sin and cosec positive. Third quadrant, tan and cot positive. Sin, cos, tan. Tan and cot positive. Clear? All are negative. Tan and cot are positive. Think. and last cosine sec positive means sin, tan, cosec and cot are negative. Here you can write down the minus, then it will be easy to write down. Say sin pi by 2 plus theta cos theta. Why? Pi by 2 na? Then cos pi by 2 plus theta minus sin theta tan pi by 2 plus theta minus cot theta, cosec pi by 2 plus theta positive sec theta, sec pi by 2 plus theta minus cosec theta, cot pi by 2 plus theta minus tan theta. Similarly, pi minus theta as it is sin theta minus cos theta minus tan theta, positive cosec theta, negative sec theta, and minus cot theta here. Clear? Now here third quadrant tan is positive. Pi plus theta as it is sin theta cos theta plus tan theta minus cosec theta minus sec theta, then positive cot theta. 3 pi by 2 changes the trigonometric ratios. Minus cos theta minus sin theta positive cot theta minus cosec pi by 2 plus sec theta minus cosec theta, and what about this tan theta positive. In fourth quadrant cos and sec positive, therefore 3 pi by 2 means sin converted into cos theta, this is cos, sin positive sin, tan converted into cot theta, again sec theta, cosec theta positive here, and cot theta. Similarly 2 pi minus theta as it is minus sin theta cos theta positive, tan theta negative, cosec theta negative, sec theta positive, and last cot theta negative. These are the 48. Now here minus theta, I had given this sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta, and cosec of minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. These are 48 and these 6. 48 plus 6, 54 allied angles are there. Very important and simple one. Actually allied angles are useful for further examples which we will take into consideration, and we can solve these all. Consider करायचे असतात आणि मग ते लिहायचे असतात. सॉल्व कसं करायचं, एक्झाम्पल्स कसे विचारले जातात, त्याच्यावरचे हे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत आणि तुम्हाला हे सॉल्व करावे लागतील. त्याच्यानंतर जो फॅक्टरायझेशन डिफॅक्टरायझेशनचा पार्ट येतो, जसं की आपण बघूयात एखाद दुसरं एक्झाम्पल आपण याच्यावरती विचारलेत का बघू, आणि त्यानुसार आपण तुम्हाला मी सांगतो की कशा पद्धतीने हे एक्झाम्पल्स सॉल्व करायचे. Find the values of असं म्हटलं जातं. Find the values of. On this we can see the questions here. Find the values of. Find the values of sin of 495. Sin of 495 degree. Sin of 495. 360 degree plus how much? 60 40 है ना, 400 झाला आणि plus 95, 40 plus 95 135 degree. Okay, साइन ऑफ 2 pi plus theta ना, हाँ 135 डिग्री. Sin 2 pi plus theta, sin theta means sin of 135 degree. We can use here sin 2 pi plus theta na, 360 plus theta. That is again sin theta. Clear? 135 we can write in the form of sin of 90 plus किती 90 plus 45 ना, 45 degree. This will be sin pi by 2 plus theta. Sin pi by 2 plus theta cos theta. Why? Second quadrant. Sin pi by 2 cos 45 degree. And this is nothing but 1 by root 2. Find the value of assignment line. Then this will be the last answer, 1 by root 2. Clear? Cos 45 degree. Cos of 930 degree. Cos of 930. समजतं ना? क्लिअर आहे ना? तर हे नाही समजलं तर विचारा परत. पण हे अशा पद्धतीने करतात. परत cos of 930 degree. Which are the solved examples are here. Cos of 930 cos. तुम्हाला माहिती आहेत ना? I have told that ki baba you have to know the 90, 180 and 360. What about 360? 36 ones are 36 twos are 36 threes are 36 twos are 720 plus how much? किती काय होतं? 0 1 9 210 degree. Now cos of 720 4 pi plus theta. 4 pi never changes the trigonometric ratio. Cos as it is, 210 as it is. See the quadrant, define the sign. See the quadrant, define the sign. 4 pi plus theta. 2 pi 4 pi plus theta. Clear? Means काय? First quadrant असं कन्सिडर करायचं 210 पॉझिटिव्ह ना. What about 210? Cos of 210 180 plus 30 degree. This is lies in which quadrant? Pi plus theta na, cos pi plus theta, cos pi plus theta minus cos theta. Why? Pi means as it is clearly and lies in third quadrant. Pi plus theta, that means negative cos. Cos of 30 root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 is the correct answer here. Minus cos 30. You can use this type of questions here. I will give you some questions for solution. Okay. Homework for you. First. This is homework for the allied angles. You can find out. I know that you are very much clever and actually तुम्ही सगळेजण बरेच जण पाठवतात. जे जे होमवर्क दिले ते ज्यांनी ज्यांनी पाठवले नाही त्यांनी पाठवा. नंबर माहीत नसेल तर व्यास सरांकडून नंबर घ्या आणि प्लीज होमवर्क सॉल्व करा. त्याच्यामध्ये काही मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं लॉगॅरिथममध्ये 2 क्वेश्चन्स मागे पुढे झाले रॉंग आहेत. बाकी सगळं क्लिअर आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही क्लिअर करू शकता. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. नेक्स्ट याच्यामध्ये आपण काय बघायचं, हा झाला अलाइड अँगल्स. तर फॅक्टरायझेशन डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युले अँड ट्रायंगलमधले काही एक्झाम्पल्स अँगल्स असतात ते. फॅक्टरायझेशन डिफॅक्टरायझेशन formulas we can see in the next video. Thank you very much.